Hello students, we will study about irrigation today. The supply of water to crops at regular intervals is called irrigation. All living beings on earth needs water as they cannot live without it. Basically, water is required for proper growth and development. Plants absorb water through their roots, and along with water, plant roots also absorb minerals and fertilizers present in the soil. Now class, the question is why water is essential for plants? Let us see. Water helps in the germination of seeds. You know very well that germination of seeds does not take place under dry conditions. Second one, water helps in transportation of nutrients from roots to leaves and all the parts of the plants. Third one, water also protects the crop from both frost and hot air currents. So for healthy crop growth, fields need to be irrigated regularly. Now the time and frequency of irrigation varies from crop to crop, soil to soil and season to season. For example, in summers, due to increased rate of evaporation from the soil and the leaves, the plants need to be irrigated frequently. Sources of water for irrigation are wells, tube wells, ponds, lakes, rivers, dams and canals. Now let us talk about different methods used for irrigation. The first one is traditional method. It includes various traditional ways which are moat, chain pump, dhekli and rahat. In this system, the water available in wells, lakes and canals is lifted up by different methods for taking it to the fields. Second one is modern methods of irrigation, which includes a sprinkler system and drip system. These systems aim to use water economically, means they prevent wastage of water. In a sprinkler system, the perpendicular pipes having rotating nozzles on top are joined to the main pipeline at regular intervals. When water is allowed to flow through the main pipe under pressure with the help of a pump, it escapes from the rotating nozzles. It gets sprinkled on the crop as if it is raining. This system is useful for lawns, coffee plantations and several other crops. Another method is drip system. In that system, the water falls drop by drop directly. The other method is drip system. In this system, the water falls drop by drop directly near the roots. It is the best technique for watering fruit plants, gardens and trees.